A well-insulated garage door can significantly improve energy efficiency, reduce outside noise, and help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature throughout the year. As more homeowners upgrade their garages into workshops, gyms, or storage spaces, garage door insulation kits have become increasingly popular. This guide evaluates the best garage door insulation kits based on insulation material, build quality, ease of installation, durability, coverage, and overall value for money.
Product number 1. Reflectix BP24025 24-inch by 25 feet bubble pack insulation. The Reflectix BP24025 bubble pack insulation is one of the most trusted insulation solutions available for DIY homeowners. Unlike pre-cut garage door kits, this roll allows users to customize each panel according to their garage door dimensions. The double-layer bubble construction combined with reflective aluminum surfaces effectively reduces radiant heat transfer while helping maintain a more stable garage temperature. Installation is straightforward with basic cutting tools and compatible adhesive or tape. The flexible design makes it useful not only for garage doors, but also for RVs, attics, basements, and other insulation projects. Its lightweight construction prevents unnecessary strain on garage door openers while delivering excellent thermal performance. One of its biggest advantages is versatility. Since the insulation comes in a continuous roll, homeowners can minimize material waste by cutting precise panel sizes. The durable aluminum facing also resists moisture and corrosion, extending its service life.
Product number 2. 16P Garage Door Insulation Kit Panels, 6 mm, 16 by 8 feet for double garage door. Designed specifically for double garage doors, this 16-piece insulation kit provides complete coverage for standard 16 by 8 foot garage doors. Each panel features a 6 mm double bubble core with reflective aluminum foil on both sides, helping reduce heat transfer during hot summers and cold winters. Installation is beginner-friendly since the panels are already pre-cut. Homeowners simply trim where necessary and attach each panel using the included adhesive materials. The lightweight construction ensures smooth garage door operation without adding excessive weight. The insulation performs well in reducing outdoor noise while helping garages stay warmer in winter and cooler during summer. Many users also notice reduced HVAC workload when garages are connected to living spaces. Overall, this kit offers an excellent balance between affordability, insulation performance, and ease of installation, making it ideal for first-time DIY users.
Product number 3. 16P Garage Door Insulation Kit Panels, 6 mm, 16 by 8 ft for double garage door. Although the product title appears abbreviated, this insulation kit offers similar performance to other premium double bubble insulation systems. The 16-panel configuration covers most standard double garage doors while providing effective reflective insulation against extreme outdoor temperatures. Each panel features a durable aluminum foil surface combined with an insulating air bubble core that helps minimize radiant heat transfer. During installation, the lightweight panels are easy to trim for windows, hinges, or irregular door sections. The reflective design helps improve energy efficiency by keeping garages cooler during summer and retaining warmth during winter. It also reduces vibration and outside noise, creating a more comfortable workspace. Its combination of durability, affordability, and simple installation makes this kit an excellent option for homeowners looking to improve garage comfort without hiring professionals.
Product number 4. 16 pieces 24 by 47 inch garage door insulation kit for 2-car, 6 mm thick double bubble panels, reflective aluminum foil summer and winter barrier. This premium insulation kit is designed for 2-car garages and includes 16 oversized reflective panels measuring 24 by 47 inches. The 6 mm thick double bubble construction provides excellent thermal resistance while maintaining flexibility for installation. The reflective aluminum foil effectively blocks radiant heat during summer while helping retain warmth during winter. Homeowners appreciate the noticeable reduction in garage temperature fluctuations, especially in regions with harsh climates. Installation is relatively quick, thanks to the pre-sized panels. The material cuts cleanly around garage hardware and windows without tearing. Despite its thickness, the insulation remains lightweight enough for smooth garage door operation. Another advantage is its moisture-resistant construction, making it suitable for humid environments where traditional fiberglass insulation may struggle.
Product number 5. Reach Barrier 3909 Garage Door Insulation Kit.
Reach Barrier has built a strong reputation for reflective insulation products, and the 3909 Garage Door Insulation Kit continues that tradition. The kit includes 8 durable insulation panels designed to fit standard garage doors with minimal trimming. Its reflective aluminum surface helps reduce radiant heat while maintaining comfortable garage temperatures year-round. The panels are lightweight, durable, and resistant to moisture and mold. Installation is one of the strongest features. The included adhesive tabs simplify mounting, making the project manageable for most homeowners in just a few hours. In addition to thermal performance, the insulation helps reduce outside noise and vibration, making garages quieter for workshops, home gyms, or hobby spaces. Overall, Reach Barrier delivers dependable quality backed by years of insulation manufacturing experience.
Product number 6, the NASA Tech White Reflective Foam Core Garage Door Insulation Kit is one of the most premium options available. Manufactured in the USA, this heavy-duty insulation system combines reflective technology with a foam core that delivers an impressive R value of 8.0. The thick insulation helps maintain consistent garage temperatures while reducing energy loss throughout the year. It performs exceptionally well in both hot and cold climates, making it ideal for attached garages where indoor comfort is important. Installation is simplified with pre-cut sections designed for standard 2-car garage doors. The reinforced construction offers greater durability than traditional bubble insulation while maintaining lightweight operation. Its clean white finish also gives garage interiors a brighter, more finished appearance. Although priced higher than many competitors, the superior insulation performance and long-term durability make it a worthwhile investment.
Choosing the best garage door insulation kit depends on your budget, climate, and insulation needs. The NASA Tech White Reflective Foam Core Kit delivers the highest insulation performance with an impressive R value of 8.0, making it ideal for homeowners seeking maximum energy efficiency. The Reflectix BP24025 remains the best flexible DIY option for custom installations, while the Reach Barrier 3009 provides dependable quality from a trusted brand. Budget-conscious buyers will also find excellent value in the various 6mm double bubble insulation panel kits, which offer effective temperature control, simple installation, and solid overall performance.